Hi everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to make plant-based vegan cashew cream cheese. In my foodie blender, I'm going to put 1 cup of raw cashews. Make sure you use raw ones. I know they cost a little bit more, but if you try to use roasted, it's not going to work. So learn from my mistakes, people. Okay, so you're going to put the cashews and about 24 ounces of water, and you're going to hit the cook button, and you're going to cook your cashews for 10 minutes. Now, if you don't have a blender that will cook your cashews, soak them overnight or boil them on the stove for 10 minutes. Both will work just the same. Once they're done cooking, you want to drain all of the water out, and then you want to add 5 tablespoons of non-dairy yogurt. Then you want to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Next, you want to add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Then just a sprinkle of salt. In a high-speed blender, blend for about 5 to 10 minutes. You'll have to just look at the consistency, and once it's a cream cheese consistency, you know it's ready. You'll have to open a few times and scrape down the mixture to make sure that all the cashews get blended. And then store it in the fridge. It's great on bagels. You can add flavoring to it. You can use it in recipes that use cream cheese. And I have a couple recipes that use this cream cheese coming up. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any. I have daily uploads at noon. Let's learn together as we grow. You never know what we're going to learn next. Have a great day, everybody.